Are you ready to turn your mobile app into a revenue-generating machine? Let's break it down. If you've built a game, a utility tool, a social app, or even something totally new, there are proven ways to earn from it. In this video, we're diving into the core strategies that successful developers use every day to monetize their apps. From non-intrusive ads to premium upgrades, we'll show you how to create value for your users and income for your business. Let's get started. Monetization isn't just about profit, it's how you keep your app alive and thriving. Whether you're an indie developer or a full-scale startup, revenue fuels everything: updates, bug fixes, new features, and better user support. Without a clear monetization plan, even the best apps struggle to survive. But when you choose the right model, your app can scale, retain users longer, and earn consistent income. Let's look at how top apps succeed, and how free versus paid apps stack up. In-app advertising is a monetization strategy where ads are displayed inside a mobile app. These ads are served to users while they interact with the app, and the app developer earns revenue based on how users engage with those ads, such as impressions, clicks, or views. Let's start with one of the most common and beginner-friendly ad formats: banner ads. Banner ads are small, rectangular ads, either static images or simple animations, typically placed at the top or bottom of the app screen. They're always visible but don't interfere with the user's interaction. They're ideal for utility apps, casual games, or tools where users spend a lot of time on screen but don't need constant interaction. The two most widely used platforms to implement banner ads are Google AdMob and Facebook Audience Network. Both offer SDKs that are easy to integrate, even for beginners. Pro tips for banner ads: don't place banners near clickable elements to avoid accidental taps. Use test ads during development to avoid account suspension. Combine banners with other formats like interstitial or rewarded ads for better revenue. Next up, we have interstitial ads, full-screen ads that cover the entire app interface. These ads are typically shown during natural breaks or transitions in the app. For example, after a user completes a level in a game or finishes an action in a productivity app. Since they take up the entire screen, interstitials offer high visibility and better monetization than banner ads. But they must be used carefully. If you interrupt users at the wrong moment, it can lead to frustration or even app uninstalls. That's why timing is everything. Popular networks like Google AdMob and Facebook Audience Network make it easy to implement interstitials, and most platforms allow you to control when and how often they appear. Key takeaways: use interstitials at natural pauses. Avoid surprising or frustrating the user. Test frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue. Monitor drop-off rates after showing interstitials. Rewarded video ads are one of the most user-friendly and profitable monetization formats available today. Unlike traditional ads, rewarded videos are entirely optional. You let the user choose: watch a short video ad in exchange for something valuable inside your app. This could be an extra life in a game, bonus currency, unlocking a premium lesson, or skipping a wait time. Because users are opting in, these ads have some of the highest engagement rates in the industry, and they also offer much higher CPMs, which means more revenue for you. Rewarded video ads work especially well in games and content-based apps where progression, access, or enhancements are part of the experience. Key takeaways: let users choose to watch. Reward with meaningful bonuses. Avoid overuse, keep it special. Works best in games, learning, and entertainment apps. Higher earnings with better user experience. Knowing where and when to show a rewarded ad is just as important as implementing it. Poor timing can feel like a trick, smart timing feels like a gift. Here is a table explaining some best placement logic per app type which you can use as reference. In-app purchases, IAPs. Let's talk about one of the most effective monetization models: in-app purchases, or IAPs. In-app purchases allow users to buy digital content or features directly within your app. This can include anything from unlocking a premium feature, buying virtual currency, removing ads, or subscribing to exclusive content. IAPs are what power the freemium model, where users can download the app for free and spend money only when they want to access something extra. There are three main types of in-app purchases, and choosing the right one depends on your app's purpose and user behavior. Consumables. Consumables are items that can be used once and repurchased repeatedly. These are perfect for games or tools with limited use features. Examples: game coins or gems, boosters or extra lives, one-time unlocks, example PDF exports. Non-consumables. Non-consumables are permanent unlocks. Once bought, they stay with the user. Examples: unlocking ad-free version, premium filters in a photo app, dark mode or theme unlocks. Subscriptions. Subscriptions charge users periodically, weekly, monthly, or annually, and are ideal for apps offering ongoing content or services. Examples include meditation or fitness apps, news and content subscriptions, cloud storage access. Here is a table, for reference, highlighting where in-app purchases work best. You can use this as a ready reference. Technical notes and platform rules. To implement IAPs, use official billing libraries, Google Play Billing for Android and StoreKit for iOS. It's important to follow platform guidelines strictly to avoid rejection or suspension. Important tips: always use test accounts for testing purchases. Never handle purchases directly on your own server. Respect refund policies and restore purchases for returning users. Key takeaways: let users pay for what they value. Offer clear and fair pricing. Choose the right model: consumable, non-consumable, subscription. Use platform tools, Google Play Billing or Apple StoreKit. Combine IAPs with great user experience, not paywalls. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel to support me. Thanks for watching.